Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a tailgate set with this vehicle with mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board, mud flaps on the front, side view camera, blind spot detection, spotlight and turn light indicated, and moving to the front we get a nice black hood deflector, front park sensing, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior, cup holders, USB-Cs, rear vents, and 120 volt. And of course, you do get a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here this vehicle does seat up to 5, but we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, auto stop, auto start, lights, spotlights, parking brake, all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 8.5 kilometers. Got this nice leather up steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select with your speeds. It is collapsible storage, cup holders, more storage there. Your center console with even more. You got your rear locking diff, four-wheel drive and drive modes, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated front seats, dual climate, 12 volt, 120, storage above and below. And as well as up here, we do get a nice powered rear window opener, which is pretty handy. Park assist, and looking here, we have our hazards, traction, and a nice 360 view of your vehicle. We do get our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as Messenger, email, zone lighting. Any apps you may download will show over here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE46216, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.